Summer heat can be brutal. But what if you could cool your room in minutes without a complicated install? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best portable air conditioners that keep you cool, quiet, and comfortable anywhere you need them. In this video, I'll cover the top 5 best portable air conditioners in 2025, sharing product details, customer feedback, and the standout pros of each unit. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Midea Duo 14,000 BTU AC. This powerhouse delivers 14,000 BTUs, 12,000 BTU SACC, and cools up to 550 sq-feet. It features inverter technology for efficiency, ultra-quiet operation, and works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Customer reviews. Homeowners love its whisper quiet cooling and say it can chill large living rooms fast while saving on energy bills. Pros. Cools up to 550 sq-feet. Energy-efficient inverter system. Smart control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Ultra-quiet design. Includes window kit and remote. Number 2. Dreo 12,000 BTU AC. A sleek modern unit with 12,000 BTU power and drainage-free cooling. It runs at just 46 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms, and comes with app, voice, and remote control. Customer reviews. Buyers love the ease of use and smart controls, with many saying it's the perfect balance between power and quiet. Pros. Powerful 12,000 BTU cooling. Drainage-free design. Quiet operation at 46 decibels. Smart app and voice assistant support. Includes fan and dehumidifier modes. Number 3. Dreo 10,000 BTU AC. A more compact version with 10,000 BTU, 6,000 BTU SACC cooling. It's also drainage-free, ultra-quiet at 45 decibels, and ideal for smaller rooms or apartments. Customer reviews. Users say it's perfect for bedrooms and home offices, praising its compact size and quiet cooling. Pros. Compact and portable. Great for small rooms. Drainage-free cooling system. Quiet 45 decibels operation. App, voice and remote control. Number 4. 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. A budget-friendly 3-in-1 unit with cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes. It comes with a remote control and complete window exhaust kit for quick setup. Customer reviews. People appreciate the affordability and easy setup, making it a great entry-level option. Pros. 3-in-1 design. AC, fan, dehumidifier. Easy installation with exhaust kit. Remote control included. Affordable price. Perfect for small to medium rooms. Number 5. 40 Portable Swamp Cooler. This isn't your standard AC, it's an evaporative swamp cooler. With 3,500 CFM airflow, a 10.6-gallon water tank, and 100 degrees isolation, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Customer reviews. Users love it for patios, garages, and outdoor gatherings, saying it makes a big difference in hot, dry climates. Pros. Powerful 3,500 CFM airflow. Large 10.6-gallon water tank. Includes 2 ice packs for extra cooling. Indoor and outdoor use. Great for dry, hot climates. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up the top 5 best portable air conditioners for 2025. From the powerful and smart Midea Duo to the quiet and efficient Dreo models, the budget-friendly 3-in-1 unit, and the outdoor-ready swamp cooler, there's something here for everyone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Question of the day. Which one of these portable ACs would you trust to beat the summer heat? Drop your pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.